how's it going, guys? So I'm going to show you a little tidbit of how I set up my green screen. I'm shooting a video with Jimmy Falley today where we're going to be really relying on the green screen.
So the frame is like this?
It's like literally the frame is this.
Cool.
So green screen is such a fun experience because you can really put yourself anywhere in the world or anywhere in the universe on green screen. I actually use this feature for green screen on my Straight Paul Answers Comments video that I posted a couple weeks ago. You saw me, with a grassy field on the moon. So right behind me, we have my Neewer 3-roller wall backdrop. I'm gonna roll down the green screen, set up the lights, and then show you the results. So this whole setup will probably take me about 30 minutes to really get the lighting just right. There's a lot of lighting needed for green screen. You have to light the green screen, and then you have to light the subject. So there's a lot of different variables involved. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a time lapse of how I go about it. This is probably going to be part 1 of the video. I'm not going to be able to show part 2 until we actually post the video. Once it's posted, I can give you a little behind the scenes access to it, you know what I mean? Sit back, relax, and enjoy me setting up this green screen. Let's do some green screen, baby. Fully lit, getting crazy. This is what it's all about, folks. This is prime time stuff that no one is doing right now. No one is making green screen videos right now. Only me and Jimmy. But yeah, you gotta have a lot of lights. So you have, let's see, I have the house lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lights. So here's a good still of the shoot with the green screen where I'll kind of lay out the lights that you're seeing, at least in this shot, and then the lights you're not seeing in this shot. So right off the bat, looking at the picture, you can see the 2 lights that are on top of the Neewer kit, which is on top, those 2 clamp lights. That's giving Jimmy like a nice backlight. So it kind of separates him from the background. It separates him from the green screen. And then to the left and right of Jimmy, I'm still lighting the green screen with RE300s, and I have them equidistant on either side of the green screen, and those are directly shining onto the green screen. So that's giving me like a nice, as best as I can, even light on the green screen. And then those clamp lights on top are separating Jimmy from the background as much as I can, because my goal is to try to clear him from the background so all we're seeing behind him is green. Obviously the green screen isn't perfect. You can see the wrinkles on it. You can see those little like creases, but it's the best we can do, the best I can store it. I'm looking to get a new green screen, so don't green screen shame me, please. And then you see on the bottom of the green screen, I actually only have 1 light that's shining onto the floor of the green screen because I'm trying to get Jimmy's full body, and I need to make sure that the floor has even light as well. So again, that's another light source that I'm trying to really just focus on the green screen. And then in the front, you can kind of see the tip of it, the top of a GVM light that I've done a video on before. There's 2 GVM lights that are right in front of Jimmy that are directed towards his legs and feet. And they're the same length and the same strength. And they're shining at Jimmy's feet and legs in an attempt to, give that even light. And then right behind the camera right here to the left, right behind the camera, next to the camera, I have a big RE650 light that's directly shining on Jimmy with some diffusers on it. So it's giving Jimmy like a nice even light that should still separate him in the background because of those backlights and because of the lights that are shining onto the green screen. It does a pretty good job of separating Jimmy, like lighting Jimmy as a subject, and then the green screen getting lit separately. So that's the main goal when you're shooting green screen. You want to light the subject separately of the green screen. You don't want to have shadows, and you don't want the subject too close to the green screen to offer anything on the green screen itself, because then that's going to make it more difficult to key out. With programs these days, it helps a lot with the key functions, the green key functions, but this has been effective for me using green screen in the past, lighting the subject separately than the green screen, and that's the way I've learned. Obviously, there's hundreds of green screen techniques, but this is just kind of a basic start. And then you might see that the two back covers, those are for the exterior light that's coming in from the windows. That's in an attempt to block them. You see some lights still slipping out, but that's an attempt to block it. That was just a little quick tip tutorial on the green screen that you're seeing. Thanks so much. I have lights that are going to be on Jimmy that, I'm kind of blocking right now, but lights that are going to be on Jimmy. And then lights that are on the screen that he shouldn't be in this realm, but this is where he's got his light. And yeah, that's about it, guys.